Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. Today we are going to take a new poem, To Blossoms, by Robert Herrick. First, we have introduction about the poet. You can go through this introduction. What is important is we have to see the central idea and the summary of the poem. First, we will go through the central idea of the poem. The poet sees in blossoms the fate of all living things have a very short time to stay on this earth, and then they glide into the grave. In short, transience of all life is the central idea of this poem. And now we will move to the summary of the poem. In this poem, the poet addresses the lovely blossoms of a tree. He is filled with grief to see how soon the blossoms of the tree fall and fade away. Where you burn to be an honor or half's delight, the poet asks in surprise. He wonders why nature brought forth such lovely blossoms. If they were to fade away, so blossoms. He sees them as a symbol of universal transience. Nothing in this world lives forever. All things are short-lived. Even human beings have a short life to live on this earth. Therefore, pride is but a folly. The poet compares the blossom of the leaves of a book in which one can read the common fate of all things. All things, however big and beautiful, are fated to die in the end. They don't have a long time to stay on this earth. Thus, man should learn a lesson from the fate of these blossoms, that he too, like the blossoms, will live a while and then glide into the grave. So this was the summary of the poem, To Blossoms. And this was all about the lesson of our today's lecture. We will meet inshallah tomorrow.